The topic of today's video is how to fix Nvidia Control Panel custom resolution. And the issue here is that your custom resolution button is completely grayed out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the taskbar and just search for the Nvidia Control Panel. And inside here, you'll see it grayed out, customize, and you'll see it says to enable it. All we need to do is go to manage 3D settings. So we'll do that, top left here. And then we just need to click on DSR factors. And we need to make sure all of these are toggled off and then hit OK. And now when you go back to change your resolution, it is working. And that's it. It's really just the dynamic super resolution. And once it's off, you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.